Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. This evening, the price of Shiba Inu will likely double. Quite large. Latest updates about SHIB. New coins and tokens for cryptocurrencies appear on the market on a daily basis, adding to their growing popularity. As an example, Shibarium and the Shiba Inu, an upcoming Shiba Inu-specific Ethereum-based Layer 2 L2 blockchain. Network is Shibarium. The Shiba Inu meme coin will become an entire ecosystem as a result. The price of Shiba Inu is going to quadruple tonight, as we'll discuss in this video. Quite large. Latest updates about SHIB. For more videos like this one, which features expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video. Without further ado, Shiba Inu is now one of the most valuable meme coins, ranking in the top 20 by market cap. The people behind SHIB have kept up a consistent rate of progress throughout their many projects. Notable benchmarks and milestone achievements have made the SHIB ecosystem famous. One of the latest landmarks was Binance's announcement on April 18th that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the Innovation Zone. Among the tokens set to leave the Innovation Zone on April 18th are Shiba Inu Fraxshare Trust Wallet token and 1inch, as detailed in a recent notice by the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. In their release, Binance stated that they created the Innovation Zone to provide a secure environment for users to trade innovative ventures. We expect some of these projects to have demonstrated their value and reach our high standards over time. The announcement came from Binance, who said that following extensive evaluations, they have chosen to remove SHIB and the other coins from the Innovation Zone. SHIB reached this mark following evaluations by Binance that took into account a number of criteria. To put the network through its paces, someone wrote a script to generate millions of wallets. People are curious about the reason for the unexpected surge in the number of hosted wallets on Puppetnet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network. New information suggests that a software was created to create millions of wallets in order to put the network through its paces. A member of the team working on the Shiba Inu NFT project ShipPixelPups recently tweeted about it. This one came clean about writing a script that did more than 3 million transactions on the beta network and created more than 9 million Puppetnet wallets. And the team member went on to say that they were responsible for creating about 1,620 tokens on the Practice network as well. The network presently has 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed over 3.47 million transactions, according to data from Puppetskin, the official block explorer for Puppetnet. Keep in mind that there was a recent 86% increase in the number of wallets, which surpassed 5 million. This extraordinary surge was set in motion by this screenplay. Prior to launching on the mainnet, the test network will allow interested parties to run a number of tests on the network to ensure its efficacy and reliability. The Shiba Inu chief Shidoshi Kusama has stressed time and time again that everything you see on the testnet is fake and just there for testing purposes. Building a script to create millions of testnet wallets is an admirable endeavor because it helps evaluate the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. It can also aid in the detection of errors that may arise throughout the procedure. The network's dependability can only be evaluated through stress testing. The authors of the software claimed they were testing the network's capacity to manage heavy traffic during events like airdrops and games. They also said that they did tests to evaluate the network's transaction time, resiliency, and other characteristics, as well as an airdrop script. There are currently no known issues. The SHIB flames in March were really remarkable. There were 540 transactions involving 6.78 billion SHIB tokens in March. A considerable rise was observed in both the total number of SHIB destroyed and the number of transactions as compared to the preceding months. The most recent record high burn occurred in March, with 9.05 billion SHIB consumed in October 2022. The SHIB burn tracker revealed yesterday that 25.31 million SHIB, or more than 34.92 million Shiba Inu, were burned in 3 separate transactions. A staggering 25,313,097 SHIB were sent to the burn address in a one transaction by the Coinbase-affiliated wallet Coinbase 10. Compared to the previous days overall burn rate of 2.93 million SHIB, this transaction increased it by 1,108%. The futures market also shows signs of an increasing trend. There has been a rise in open interest OI for Shiba Inu since the start of March. Investors' active positions in contracts serve as the metric. Data from CoinGlass shows that there are now more than 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26.78 million, in open futures. About $18 million was OI's valuation only a month ago. Traders' increasing fascination with SHIB is reflected in the rise in open interest. The OI was $47.3 million when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.000001591 in early February. The Shiba Inu price was $0.000001083 as of the time of writing. The SHIB price is presently following a continuation pattern that has been covered on NewsBTC in ascending triangle. The price of SHIB hit a new all-time low of 0.0000000 TAI. Accordingly, the upward trend has not been disrupted. By April's end, it may be clear if bulls or bears have prevailed. Investors are starting to take notice of Shiba Inu recently. Since its futures open interest OI has been steadily increasing over the past month, and it has just surged to 2.4 trillion tokens or $27.51 million. A price explosion is anticipated as this rising trend indicates a resurgence of interest. To calculate futures open interest, add up all the futures contracts that have not yet been settled or closed out by an offsetting trade. The number of contracts owned by market players that are still active is essentially what it reflects. An exponential growth in an asset's open interest indicates that traders are positioning themselves for potential price fluctuations, and a large influx of new capital is entering the market. After reaching a low of $18.05 million on March 13th, the open interest in Shiba Inu has surged by more than 52%, reaching a current level of $27.51 million, or $2.4 trillion, according to data from CoinGlass, an intelligence platform for futures trading. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of SHIB and its open interest, since the asset's price often goes up when its OI goes up. On February 5th, OI reached $3.2 trillion tokens, a gain of $47.3 million. Along with this, the price of SHIB soared to its highest point this year, $0.000001527 USD, on that particular day. But after February 5th, both the asset's price and SHIB's OI began to fall. The open interest is once again experiencing a significant increase in value following a dip to its lowest point on March 13th. The asset's price, according to investors, will rise in tandem. Binance trade volume has also shown renewed interest in SHIB. The volume of Shiba Inu on Binance has been rising daily for the last 4 days, after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. At the moment, there are 2.44 trillion tokens in circulation. While it is in the midst of a protracted consolidation period, SHIB is attempting to break out of an ascending triangle, despite its current underperformance. The asset's price has dropped 0.97% in the last 24 hours, but it has risen 0.8% in the last hour. If the triangle fails to form, SHIB can go for the $0.0000015 high seen in February. An uptick in demand could help it achieve its objectives, and recent patterns indicate that the asset has grown popular among market participants. It was revealed that SHIB was one of the 3 most viewed assets globally. Aside from the long-rumored collaboration between the Shiba Inu community and renowned musician Scott Page, rumors have circulated that top American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms will be accepting SHIB on his online store as part of an NFT collaboration. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.